Crawford from Post Media News. I'm here at Gatineau Airport in the Boeing 737-800 simulator operated by GoSimGo company, and it's President Yev Zhukov. This is a real Boeing 737 airplane that is set up. You can fly anywhere in the world, and anyone who's had dreams of flight can take the controls here with an instructor at their side and rent it for an hour or 2 hours. And you're literally in a real Boeing 737 cockpit, flying anywhere, landing, taking off. It's an amazing, immersive experience that's perfect for anyone who's an aviation geek, or if you've played Flight Simulator in your own home computer. This is like a next level opportunity to take advantage of.